Hello everyone. Today we are going to plot XRD graph in Origin. So for that, firstly we will open Origin. I have a Origin 8.5 Pro. Now copy the data from Excel sheet of intensity and 2 theta value. We are copying. Yes. Now go to the Origin file and paste it here. Now select both axes, X and Y. Go to the plot section. Here you have so many options: line, symbol, line plus symbol. So here I have used line because XRD graph looks nice in line. Okay. The next one is we have to put the value of x-axis and y-axis. For that, here I am going to type 2 theta. As you all know that the value of x-axis is 2 theta. And for y-axis it is intensity. And its unit is AU, arbitrary unit. Okay. So here we put the value of both x and y-axis. Next we move to increase the width of this line, because it is looks so thin, so we have to increase. So here I am selecting 3, and we can also change its color. I am going to select red one because it looks beautiful. So what happened? Okay, I forgot to apply. Yeah, it's 3. The color will be red. Now we have to apply. Okay, yeah, now it's looking red. We can delete some unwanted things from the graph. Whatever we did not required, we deleted. So here I am going to delete. So next one is to put the HKL value. So here I am going to, the best way to just copy the y-axis and paste it in middle of the graph. Here I have pasted. Now put the value of planes, HKL plane. So it might be 111, 110, anything it can be. Now whatever you required, you can do this, use this. Now place it into the right place. Just drag it, select it and drag it on right place. Yes, we can do some more things, like we can also make upper axis x and y. So for this we have to move from, we have to select this section. Yeah, you can delete this by just select it and delete it. Similarly, number can also delete it in same way. We will do same thing with x-axis. Yes. Now for the delete this major and minor tick, we have to select it and double click on it. And after double clicking, we will get this screen, and you have to go title and format. And here you have to change this major and minor tick into none. Yes, it's done for x-axis. We will do the same thing for y-axis. Just put the cursor here and double click, and again go to the title and format and change it into the none. Okay, now our graph is ready to paste it. You just have to go to the edit section, copy page, and just paste it into the Word file. Yes, here it is, Word file. Paste. Yes, this graph is ready for the paper. Now you can do one more thing. You can calculate full width half maxima from this graph. For that, you have to just select, you just have to single click on this graph and go to the analysis. Here you will get the pick and baseline, and in picks and baseline you have to select multiple pick fit and go to the open dialog and this is selected for the gauze. Okay, how many pics you want, you have to select. Here I am going to select 7 pics, then okay. Then what next come, we have to double click on each pics. So here I am going to double click 1 2 1 2 1 2, the center of the pic. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2, and this one is last. Now after completing this, you will get this kind of a screen, and you have to select OK, and this is OK. Yeah, here you got the value of full width, half maxima, sigma, height. This data will help you to calculate some other crystalline parameter like crystal size, dislocation density, etc. You can calculate by using this data. Okay, bye bye, thank you so much.